Introducing our new range of halal culture media. Producing food, beverages, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics for Muslim customers comes with very specific challenges. Not only the products themselves must be halal and thus comply with Islamic teaching, so too must everything that enters their production area, even substances that are not intended to come into physical contact with the product or any of its ingredients. This includes culture media for microbial monitoring of production environments. Accredited institutions exist that review manufacturing processes for compliance with accepted halal reference standards. If a company's product is found to be compliant, it is certified. Culture media may carry hidden non-halal ingredients into halal-certified production areas. Take peptones, for example, important components of many media. Although peptones are made of animal or non-animal origin materials, they're usually degraded by enzymes of pork origin. Physical contact between such peptone-containing culture media and production equipment could have implications for the halal status of the whole facility, and thus of all its end products. We have now introduced a range of halal-certified dehydrated culture media for hygiene control purposes. These media are compliant in 3 respects. They're certified to be free of non-halal raw materials. The peptones contained were not digested by pork enzymes. They're produced at a specific site for halal manufacturing, at our base in Darmstadt, Germany. The site is audited and certified every year according to widely accepted halal standards. The culture media also comply with specified international food, water, pharma and cosmetic standards. For some, quality control is performed under ISO 17025 accreditation. What this means for our customers in halal manufacturing? The certainty that the halal culture media they procure from us comply with both Islamic teaching and specified international regulations. About 20% of the global population are Muslims, who expect certainty about the products they consume. Our halal culture media help manufacturers to meet those expectations.